Like a lot of our clients, not only are you selling your home now, you're going to need to buy a new home. The timing can get really tricky, but we're here to help out.
So while you're on the market, actually, if you have to buy, then it's really good if we start reviewing the inventory that's on the market. We talk to you about what are the things that you must have, and then also, are you interested in any particular neighborhoods? We can always go out, we could always see things so that you understand the inventory and what you would be looking at.
So once we're in contract, the standard closing timeline is about 60 days. Why not have us negotiate pushing that out 90 to 120 days? But what if you need the funds for your next purchase? We can negotiate a post-closing possession that allows you to stay in your home after you close for anywhere from 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. We'll figure it out and we'll go from there.
If you're about to close on your existing property, but you need a little more time on the property you're purchasing, you are able to legally extend the closing date 30 days without penalty.
A couple of other options to buy more time: close on the current property and jump into a short-term rental, which of course we can help you with. If you need just a little bit more time, one of our favorite ideas, take that long overdue vacation for another couple of weeks.
If you find yourself in a position where you are selling and you also need to buy, we are quite familiar with the process and the delicate balance of timing. So give us a call. We'd be happy to talk to you.